Friends, if you are not cleaning the dirt of your liver, then first of all, whatever you are eating will not be digested properly, and hence its nutrients will not be reflected in the blood. Health will continuously deteriorate, and you will not feel like doing any work. You will not feel energetic. You will start getting bored with anything very quickly. It will become difficult for you both to gain and lose weight. And at the same time, the risk of many serious diseases will remain in your body. But as soon as the dirt in your liver gets cleaned, the digestive system starts working very fast. What is eaten and drunk is absorbed in the body in a good way. One starts feeling more strength inside the body than before, the skin becomes clearer than before, both gaining and losing weight becomes easier, pimples, blemishes, and spots are cleared. When this happens, first of all, we talk about how the dirt gets accumulated inside our liver. So see, whatever we eat, it reaches our stomach through the alimentary canal, where after the food gets broken down, it goes to the liver, and the liver sends this food to our small intestine, from where it comes out of our body in the form of stool. But in this process, most of the dirt gets accumulated in our liver and our small intestine, which you will be surprised to see. If you look closely, our liver and intestine appear like this, in which there are small finger-like projections, which act like a filter because there are veins inside these projections, which help in carrying the blood through our body. It is connected to different parts of the body, and through these veins, the nutrients present in the food are drawn into the blood and then spread throughout our body through the blood. But when the food is consumed in the wrong way, knowingly or unknowingly, if we do this or use too much refined flour, it starts sticking to our liver, and gradually it forms a very thick layer, and every hole that appears gradually closed down. And whatever nutrients are present in the food are not able to reach our blood, and due to which the body does not feel the energy when we eat and drink. We do not feel strength. We feel very lazy, and at the same time, when these impurities are forcefully introduced into our body, when it is pulled through the blood, it gets mixed in the blood and starts accumulating in different parts of our body, and when this dirt reaches our heart through the blood, it causes blockage in the heart and reaches the kidneys, become kidney stone, and reaches skin. Then problems like spots, itching start appearing, and not only this, it also completely spoils the balanced hormones of our body. Just understand that every small and big diseases occur due to accumulation of dirt in our body, and hence, not every day, but at least once a week, we should do something so that our body can detoxify the dirt inside our body. It is accumulated so that it can be taken out, and hence, now I am going to tell you about 5 such methods. If you do this, even just one day in a week, then all the dirt that is in your liver will come out. Your entire body will be detoxed. If it is done, then our first method is fasting. See, whichever religion you belong to, you will see the rule of fasting in your religion, like if you are a Muslim, then you keep fast, and if you are a Buddhist, should not eat after 12 hours. Looking at fasting, most of us feel that it is a religious thing, but the people of old times started fasting so that it detoxifies our body. The special thing about our body is that our body has the ability to clean the dirt inside itself, and hence, whenever you get a chance, keep fasting. This will keep your body fit, and you will remain healthy. The dirt from your body will come out. So now our second method is to do this. You will have to buy a small thing from the market, and this thing is borax. It is also known as sodium tetraborate decahydrate, and is made up of boric acid and sodium. You have to bring the borax home and grind it well, and then put that borax on the pan and heat it well. When you heat it, you will hear a small sound from it. You will feel as if it is burning, but it is not burning. You have to heat it till you have to keep frying it until the noise inside it stops. And after that, you do not have to do much. Only once a week, you have to take a glass of hot water and just a pinch of it add into this water. You have to mix it well, and you have to drink that water by gulping. It will pull all the dirt inside your body and throw it out from your body through stool. Now, our third method is that whenever you eat food, whether you are having lunch, dinner, or breakfast, what you have to do is to take a small piece of jaggery immediately after eating and chew it properly. If you eat jaggery, what will happen is that the digestive juice will be released in large quantities in your body, and whatever food you have eaten will be digested properly. Every bit of it will be absorbed into your body, along with all the toxins present in it, also comes out from your body. It is not a big deal. It is a small piece of jaggery, so eat it and save your life. Now our fourth method is lemon water. See, as soon as you wake up in the morning, you have to take a glass of water on an empty stomach and squeeze a half a lemon in it, and then you have to drink it by suffocating the water. All the dirt that has accumulated in your body overnight will be pulled out through your stool. Now our last and fifth method is detox juice. To make detox juice, you will need ash gourd, which you can buy from any vegetable shop, and you will get ash gourd very easily from there. You have to bring the ash gourd home, then cut it into small pieces and grind it in the mixer, and whatever juice it has, you have to filter it in a glass and take it out in the morning. You have to consume that stomach juice. It removes all the toxins in your body and all the dirt from your body very fast. So these were the 5 ways. If you do just one method, even just one day in a week. If yes, then it will remove all the dirt from your body and will save your body from getting sick. Along with this, I will also tell you about 3 more amazing remedies which will clean all the dirt accumulated inside your liver and make it completely fit and make it healthy. In this, first of all, you have to consume turmeric. Turmeric is a very good herb which has antioxidant properties in very high quantity. The ingredient in turmeric is called curcumin. Scientific studies have found that it has such good antioxidant properties that it works to protect the oxidant stress inside your liver, that is, the damage to the cells in the liver due to free radicals, and makes the liver healthy. Along with this, turmeric also works to counter the toxins that get accumulated inside our body, the dirt that gets accumulated inside our liver, or the toxicity that occurs inside our liver due to drinking alcohol. Along with this, it also works to reduce the excess fat that gets accumulated around the liver, which we call fatty liver. You can use turmeric regularly. What you have to do to use turmeric is that you have to take a glass of lukewarm water, and in a glass of lukewarm water, you have to add half a teaspoon of turmeric. And with this, the other thing that you have to add in it is a pinch of black pepper. Now, why do we add black pepper? We add black pepper because it increases the absorption of turmeric in our body. So you need to get these 3 things: water, turmeric, and black pepper. If you mix these 3 things and take daily in the morning on an empty stomach, then within just 14 days it will give you a miracle effect and your liver will start becoming healthy. After that, the second remedy you need to take is gooseberry and bitter gourd. As you all know, gooseberry is a very rich source of vitamin C, and vitamin C is a very good antioxidant, which means it protects our liver cells from oxidative damage and free radical damage. Also enhances liver functioning and works to protect the liver cells. Gooseberry is also a detoxifier that works to flush out the toxins present inside our body. If I talk about bitter gourd, it works on our liver cells, acts as an antioxidant, and if you consume too much alcohol, it removes the toxicity caused by it. Along with this, bitter gourd reduces the fat present around the liver and works to make the liver cells healthy, improves digestion, also works to purify the blood. Understand how to use this remedy. You have to take a glass of lukewarm water, and in a glass of lukewarm water, you have to mix 2 tablespoons of gooseberry juice and 2 tablespoons of bitter gourd juice. You have to take this drink about an hour before having lunch. By taking it before eating, what will happen is that the absorption and efficiency of the juice in your body will increase. The third remedy that you have to use during these 14 days is garlic. Garlic is also a great thing. Inside it, you will find 2 compounds. One is selenium and the other is vanadium, and both these compounds work to eliminate toxins from our body. Along with this, garlic is a great antioxidant. It prevents free radical damage, and along with this, it also works to reduce liver fat. To use garlic, you have to chew 2 raw cloves of garlic at night before going to sleep. If you are not able to chew it, you can make a paste of it and swallow it directly with water. Along with these 3 remedies, if you add additional things, then you can get even faster results. If you take 1 or 2 cups of green tea daily along with the remedy, then you will get very good results from it too. Along with this, you have to take ample sleep, stay away from stress, eat good food, take green leafy vegetables and green salad. These are some natural things which you can use regularly. So friends, I hope you have learned a lot from this story. How did you like this story? Do tell us by commenting in the comment section, and do subscribe to this channel. See you in the next story. Till then, take care.